Another easy daily makeup tutorial. I'll be using the Vice Cosmetics Aqua Grip Primer to prime my face, and the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to prep the eyes, the Powerpuff Blush and Highlighter Palette as an eyeshadow. Look how nice that is. And of course, I'll be using this lovely Vice Cosmetics Eyebrow Gel to fill in the eyes. And also this Love Drawn Glide and Go Liquid Eyeliner. I love it so far. Base mascara, now black mascara. Of course, foundation. I'll be using the Endless G Dream Focus Foundation. Contouring the face this time with a multi-stick called Push from Vice. Look at the depth of that. Of course, setting my makeup with loose powder. Almost forgot about concealer, but thank God that just blends in nicely. And of course, my favorite blush right now is this Very Good from Vice. Lipstick and lip balm, of course, and some finishing touches. Final look, and just a lovely rosy glow. See you on the next video. Goodbye.